Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices and beginning the pairing now. On Windows, open Phone Link and sign into the same Microsoft account you'll use on the phone. On Android, install or open Link to Windows or Phone Link Companion and grant initial permissions when prompted. Once done, choose Add a Phone on the PC and follow the on-screen QR or code prompt on the phone. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active so the devices can discover one another quickly. You now complete the more detailed pairing and permission steps so features work reliably. After scanning the QR or entering the code, grant requested permissions, notifications, SMS, calls, contacts, and storage. These let the PC mirror alerts and access files. Make sure the companion app is allowed to run in background and exempt from aggressive battery optimization so messages and calls arrive consistently. Once permissions are accepted, the PC will sync recent messages and show a device tile. Don't skip the background activity setting. You finish by verifying functionality and learning a key fix if anything breaks. Test notifications, send an SMS from the PC, place a call, and try screen mirroring or file transfer to confirm full access. If transfers fail, use nearby share or drag and drop after enabling file access. If something goes wrong, first restart the Phone Link app and the companion app, confirm both devices use the same Microsoft account and network, then recheck permissions or reinstall the companion app. That resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.